everyone, I am back with a new and informative video. My name is Ayansh and today I am going to tell you about the topic layers of atmosphere. First of all, I will explain atmosphere to all of you. Some of you must have not known what is atmosphere. So let me explain what is atmosphere. Atmosphere is the gaseous layer which surrounds the earth. It consists of some gases which are nitrogen, oxygen, argon and trace gases. Trace gases contain carbon dioxide and helium. And now I will explain you what is why an atmosphere is important for us. Without atmosphere, no life will exist because the atmosphere consists of oxygen. And oxygen is the most important thing for the life, and moreover it protects us from the harmful solar radiation, which is the ultraviolet rays. Now I will explain you what are the layers of the atmosphere. The layers of the atmosphere are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. The troposphere is the lowermost layer of the atmosphere and the exosphere is the outermost layer of the. Now I will explain you what are the different layers of the atmosphere. First, troposphere. In the troposphere, the weather occurs and it is also the lowest layer of the atmosphere. The temperature in the troposphere decreases with the increase in altitude. You must have noticed that in the plains the temperature is not that low, but when you go into the mountains the temperature is very low and there is also snowfall. That is because in the troposphere the temperature decreases with the altitude. I will explain you the stratosphere. Stratosphere is the second lowest layer in the atmosphere. The temperature rises with the increase in the altitude. Like in the troposphere, the temperature decreased with the altitude, but in the stratosphere it is the complete opposite. The temperature increases with the increase in altitude. The ozone layer is also present in the stratosphere, and all the aeroplanes also fly in the stratosphere, and it extends to about 30 to 35 miles. And now I will explain you the third layer of the atmosphere, which is the mesosphere. Mesosphere, all the meteors which come from the space burns in the mesosphere, so we do not get hit by any meteor or any other space junk, that because it all burns in the mesosphere, and the mesosphere extends from 50 miles from the earth's from the mean sea level. Now our next layer is the thermosphere. The thermosphere is the fourth layer from the earth's surface. It is very hot in the thermosphere. The air is really very thin. You must have noticed that in the plains the air is not very thin, but when you go to the mountains and the higher altitudes, the air gets thinner and thinner and it becomes difficult to breathe, and the thermosphere extends to 400 miles. In the lower part of the thermosphere there is another sub layer which is called the ionosphere. In the ionosphere the electrical charge is present, and it consists of electrons and atoms. Now our last layer in the atmosphere is the exosphere. The air is really very thin in this layer, and it extends to up to 6,200 miles from the mean sea level. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.